going on, guys? My name is Alex Widdick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it's 5 a.m. It's super early. I haven't been up this early. I usually finish editing this early, but I went to bed last night around, like 1 o'clock. Here we are. Got up at 4:30, so I got 4.5 hours sleep. I'm actually on my way to the DMV to register the TT. We hit 500,000 followers on TikTok, so I figured, you know what? I gotta register that thing. I gotta make some fun content for the boys. So we're actually gonna head on over to go get Joey, my buddy Joey. And Joey's just gonna hang out in the line with us in New Jersey for the DMVs to register a car right now. You gotta get to the DMV around 5 a.m. I'm running a little late because that's how I roll. And you gotta wait in a line. They don't open until 8. You might get out of there about 10 to 12. Super messed up process. So let's head on over to Joey's. Let's wait in this line. Let's see if we can get this car registered. All right, here's the update. Joey's coming with me for moral support, but we're going to stake it out on shares at the DMV to go register the TT, so. Dude, there's like 150 people. So I think that's pretty sweet. So I got my license. I'm super excited. Well, license plates. It was literally a 15-minute process. I waited in that line from 5:30 to 8. Got my number. I was number 37. Joey came with me just to support me, you know, hang out. That's what we do. We're friends. And I told Joey, I was like, listen, sell your spot to somebody. Really cool guy named Sebastian pulled up and he was walking past us. I was like, hey, are you going to be in the line? And he's like, yes. And I was like, would you like to buy a spot? He goes, oh, I'm good, man. And I was like, listen, $100. And he goes, oh, that's way too much. But the line is literally half a mile longer behind us. And we were like, no, we're gonna actually give it to you cheaper, $40. Just because Joey, you know, just some free money. But we were gonna give it to him for free. Sebastian was really cool, really awesome guy. And so I got these. Now let's go throw them onto the TT. And I think I'm just gonna self-tapper them into the back since I own the back bumper. So let's send it. Good old U94 MTZ. And we're just gonna freaking self-tapper this bad boy directly into there, so. Alrighty, well, we're ready to send it. The tires are all filled up to 35 PSI. Got my license plate on the back there, all self-tappered in. We're about to send it to the gas station. I mean, maiden voyage, may as well just, you know, just give it a YOLO. The windshield all cleaned. I mean, way cleaner than the Mark 6's windshield or the Mark 5. So we're just stunting here. I think we're even gonna drive with the top down. So enough talking. Let's hop in this thing and go for a drive. Gas. We are like a mile and a half away from the gas station, so hopefully we pull up, can get what we need, and go for this drive. So I went for that short drive, and actually the dog bone mount had come loose, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna go home. And then on the way home, the car started to overheat a little bit. It was sitting around 215. Obviously, that's not what you want. 190 is like where it's supposed to be for operational temps. So I came home, I took the hose, I sprayed it all down, and I noticed that this fan right here was not spinning, and this fan was. And about 2 seconds later, that fan stopped spinning, but I could feel the motor inside. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to figure it out. Maybe I didn't even feel the motor spinning. Maybe I just felt the, there's a circulation pump in here that pumps water to the turbo. So I'm gonna try to figure that out and hopefully get back to ripping and go see some friends, because a lot of people want to see us playing ripping today. Let's just chase some issues, eat some lunch, and relax. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure you throw it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And thank you so much for 500,000 followers on TikTok. I was gonna call them subscribers, but man, we're killing it. So let's chase this issue. Seems legit. She's running mint. Temps are stable. I don't know if the fans turned back on, but I fixed the dog bone mount. I'm gonna go home, make a cheeseburger, and maybe we'll be able to link up with Joey or someone. I know a bunch of people want to go for a ride in this, so let's call some people up. Well, I just got back and there's a lot of smoke coming from underneath the hood, so it looks like burning plastic or something. I'm not gonna get in there because right now it's just nothing. Oh my god. Also, only this fan is turning on. mean, at least we have one fan, but I gotta figure out why the other fan isn't on, but I'm gonna go make a cheeseburger. Okay, so we're back outside. The TT is all cooled down. It's actually Mama K's birthday today. It's a beautiful day. It's a special day, so I'm actually gonna run over to the local farm. I'm gonna get her some flowers in the TT, and what better than to throw them in the passenger seat with all the other miscellaneous stuff. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Might turn some heads with this thing. Hopefully we could be respectful pulling in. No flames, I swear. Let's head on out. Let's close this hood. And let's hope baby girl makes it. All right, we're at the location we need to go to, so I gotta be quiet. Beyond letdown right now, went into the farm, walked around this entire facility. Absolutely not a single flower pot that I needed. I needed a hanging pot for Mama K. She needs 8 of them, but she said, listen, you get me 1, I'll be happy. That's all I need. Fall is coming. So I said, sure. Walked around the whole facility and there's nothing here. I'm let down. And the dog bone mount is a little bit loose again. I didn't put it that tight because I don't want to strip the threads, because when I made this mount, I stripped the threads. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to go back home, Loctite it, Teflon it. So I'm actually trying to put a new bolt in the dog bone mount that's a little bit longer so I could thread it a little bit tighter, but we're working with a bit of a dilemma. It was supposed to rain all day today, so we got really lucky, so we were able to film a lot of content, which is awesome. And it didn't rain on us when we went to the DMV, but there's rain coming in from that side, and I seen a lightning strike right over there. I seen one right there and right over there to the corner. So I'm working against time, but I don't want to be working out here. All right, so the wind's actually just dying down, but we literally just had like a mini tornado come through here, rip my hat off. Also, it rained super hard for about 5 seconds, but the ground is already dry. I was just underneath my car. It says I'm dirty, but we're trying to outrun the rain, so there's not gonna be any footage, but I'm working out here in the rain. This is different for me, so, oh God. So I think we actually got really lucky with this one. It rained for like 5 minutes, but I was underneath the car and it was just drizzling. Wasn't a big deal. Left all the windows open. But anyway, clouds are all gone and the dog bone mount is completely tightened up underneath there, which is awesome. I actually took one of the old transmission bolts from the Mark V. I cut it down. I made things work. I put a lock bolt on there. I put Teflon. I put thread locker. If it moves, I'm gonna need to change something up. I do have like a bolt system to space it out. So there's a little bit of hackery going on there. But besides that, this car is looking absolutely awesome. So pulled off the jacks and let's go see how it drives. I mean, I'm really excited because I am so done this freaking hood exit hitting. But that's the thing. We registered this car. We're getting it ready to drive. You know, we're having fun. We're just trying to figure out all the kinks in this car for today. And I have parts on the way. I'm so excited. So I've been not overnighting parts, but I've been paying for the more expensive shipping for stuff to come in faster. So today's Instagram shout out goes to Manus_Rogan. Manus, that sounds so sick about your air filter and stuff. I love hearing about your guys' cars. Absolutely awesome hearing the mods that you guys do. If you guys want to have the chance to have your Instagram shout out, all you got to do is use today's hashtag, which is #trending, and comment your Instagram down below, and then it's all you need to do. Today's like goal is 500 likes, so if you guys are enjoying the video so far today, make sure you smash that thumbs up, help more people see the videos, and help more people learn about cars. I think it's awesome that you guys like the videos and you comment every day and stuff like that. It means so much to me. But get back to the video, enjoy, and grab some popcorn. Don't forget the popcorn. I don't see any movement in the exhaust, which is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna drive it around a little bit longer to check it out, see if it comes loose, head back to base, but I think we got the dog bone mount all tightened up and good, but I don't want to speak too soon. All right, so I just took the TT on literally like a 20-mile journey, and we're out here in the middle of nowhere at this sick church. There it is right there. And we got cows in the background, and that's what we live with. That's what we live with every single day. The TT looks so awesome. I'm so hyped on this car. I hope you guys are as hyped as I am. So many parts that I have planned for this car, and it really excites me. And it's all-wheel drive, so we're literally set up for the winter, which is, the winter is gonna be fun. I'm really excited for that. The hood exit isn't moving as much as it was before, but that solid mount that I had made is solidly mounted, but the spacer that I have in there allows for it to move, which allows for it to get loose. So it held tight for maybe the first 10 miles and it's loose again, but I'm already probably like 7 miles from home, so I'll just drive it no problem. TT is looking awesome. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Make sure you smash the like button and cue the little montage. I'm not even joking. These cows are checking me out. Woo! Yeah, I thought this would be a cool little spot to turn off, especially with the church in the background. I did shoot the Mark V over here one time with my iPhone about a year ago, but it is absolutely an amazing feeling to have a license plate on the back of there. I hope you guys like the way I mounted that up with the self tappers. I do plan on making my own bash bar for the rear, kind of like skate setup type stuff, because a back bumper for this is like 200 bucks, which is super cheap. But I think it'd be really cool to do some fun stuff with this thing and like even make a ski rack off the back of it, whatever it takes. I think it'd be awesome. I really want this to be like the winter daily. There's still some stuff I gotta get sorted out on this, but I'm super excited to bring you guys content, and I'm super hyped that we were able to get this car registered today so we can actually bring it places and make some fun content with it, see people, bring it to car meets and stuff like that. So that is just so awesome. When you vlog around here, like everyone's like, what the heck? Because there's literally cows right there. Like nobody holds a camera up to their face, but I don't even care. I think this is so cool. So is a handful to drive when you have a handful of camera, but besides that, I don't know. It's really fun though. It's super fun. But I'm really interested to see how the all-wheel drive setup will be, but driving these back roads is so fun in this car. It's the biggest smile on my face. It's my first gas car too, so I'm not used to the whole two-step and spark plugs and stuff, but way more fun than the Mark VI, I can tell you that right now. Ooh, police. Police. Update on the sheriff. He didn't turn around. Thank you for not turning around. I didn't do anything wrong. I was at a stoplight, but you know, questionable. I'm gonna have a headache when I get home. I only slept 3 hours last night. I've been up for 16 hours. And we're ripping. I wasn't expecting to get here, but we ended up at the gas pump once again. She's a thirsty girl. I put $20 in her this morning. Sipping it right down. Can I get 15 super, please? Okay. Card. I didn't even realize. There's an ST in front of me. It's got an exhaust on it. Sounds pretty cool. Sounds pretty cool. It's got mud flaps on it and stuff. I want to drive an ST, so if anyone wants to let me drive their ST, let's make a vlog. We're gonna start bringing more vlogs out, more content. I'm gonna drop thousands into this for you boys and girls. Too excited right now. The car is currently overheating, like pretty not good. So I've got it in neutral. We're rolling down this hill. We're about to hit a big uphill. You know, might do some pulls while she's overheating, but right as I pulled up, still got a mess on the ground. Got some Bambis over there. But the car drove amazing. By the time I got home, the coolant temps are actually back down to 190, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm super happy that we're figuring out the little bugs and kinks in this car. We got the freaking license plate, which is absolutely insane. This thing is looking awesome, and I'm really hyped about it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are thinking. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe you guys ate some popcorn in the video. If you did eat some popcorn while watching the video, let me know. And for next video, make sure you guys make some popcorn before you watch the video, because I only put out bangers. I mean, it's quite literally, there's bangs and there's pops in this video, but that license plate's on there. I'm super hyped on this car. I hope you guys are as well. Comment down below what you guys are working on. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave some suggestions down below. Tell me what you guys want to see, parts, mods. I mean, it's time that we really start dabbling into this, and I don't want to give any spoilers, but I have stuff on the way, so I'm super excited. Follow my Instagram for inside small scoops, guys. tilted_TDI. I'm always hinting at stuff. I'm always looking for parts, and I'm always vocalizing that on my page. So if you guys want the small inside scoop, definitely follow that account. On that note, I'm gonna wrap this up. I've been up since 4 a.m. It is now like 8 p.m. I can't even see straight. I am so tired, but you guys are still here. And for you guys who are still here, there's a private message, and that is gonna be MTZ. It makes no sense, right? The license plate says MTZ on the back. So, since you're still here, the private message is MTZ. I appreciate you guys. I love that you guys come back. I'm sorry I haven't posted in 5 days. I'm gonna try to get more consistent with it, but hey, I don't want to bring you guys crappy content. I only want to bring you stuff when I'm freaking feeling it, and we're feeling it. So peace out, keep smiling, don't let anyone put you down. Your build is unique, and you are unique as well. So you and your build together, you're unique. Don't let anyone judge you. Alex, shut up and just do the outro. 2-minute outro. Let me make it 2 minutes 20 seconds. Peace. Just have to subscribe. Bloopers, I guess. I don't even know. TJ Hunt posts bloopers all the time, so you know. TJ, hit me up. Let's collab. I met TJ a long time ago. I can't vlog when I'm tired. I'm just rambling. I'm sorry. But MTZ is the hidden message, guys, so